Good morning, guys. So today is the second last day in KL City. We are heading towards Batu Caves, then Petrona Tower. Today we'll be taking you to the most iconic landmarks of Malaysia. The first one is the Batu Caves. It took us around 1 hour to reach Batu Caves. It's a Hindu temple. इसका एंट्रेंस बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है एंड वंस यू एंटर यू नीड टू वॉक अ लिटिल बिट अंटिल यू रीच दोज कलरफुल स्टेयर्स. And you need to witness this golden statue of Lord Murugan, which is standing at an impressive 42.7 meters tall, and it's truly a sight to behold. Watch out for our mischievous friends, the resident monkeys who call the Batu Caves their home. Once inside the caves, we are greeted by natural skylight. After exploring the main temple cave, आप मिस मत करना the opportunity to venture further into the surrounding cave complexes. The panoramic view is simply breathtaking. We hope you enjoyed experiencing the beauty. Let's go to the next landmark.
So it doesn't require any kind of licensing.
Next up is the Petronas Twin Towers. Standing at 451.9 meters tall, these twin marvels are an architectural masterpiece. Let's head inside. Wow, just look at this lobby, it's absolutely breathtaking. From here, visitors can take the high-speed elevators up to the observation deck on the 86th floor.
Good afternoon. We are now at level 41, yeah? And standing at the height of 170 meters above street level. The sky bridge is actually a double deck bridge. We are now at the lower deck. The upper deck is for Petronas stuff. Petronas is our national oil and gas company, you know that, right? And this is the head office of Petronas. I don't want to take much of your time because we don't have much time here. You have approximately 10 minutes to spend your time here, not that long. And when your time is up, we will call you and we address you as the yellow group, hence the color of your stickers.
We made it to the observation deck and the views are absolutely incredible. From up here, you can see the entire city stretching out below with the KL Tower in the distance.
मैं दरका 118 KL Tower, Petronas Towers.
Just a quick background. When you're coming up here, you usually come through groups. So mine was yellow group. So they give a dedicated time slot wherein you can cover sky deck. The next one was the observation deck. Sky deck was in the 41st floor and this is the 86th floor. So यहाँ पर जब आप आते हो, they give you around 15 minutes. If you exceed your time limit, they will leave you there and they will go with the other group members. So make sure you keep a track of time. Even though you buy something from their cafe, it is first of all expensive. Second is that they will make you rush immediately even if you're eating, because उनको ये होता है कि आप नीचे चले जाओ, slots free हो जाए and you buy some souvenirs downstairs. So guys, next attraction is our KL Tower. I was so much excited क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि Atmosphere 360 रेस्टोरेंट में हमें सीट मिल जाएगा, but it's full for 2 months. Then we thought it's okay, let's explore the observation deck. So speaking of which, let's make our way over to the KL Tower now. Here we are at the observation deck of the KL Tower and the views are equally stunning, guys. So this tower is standing at 421 meters tall. From here you get a different perspective of the city with the Petronas Tower and the Mederka 118 in sight. I'm sitting in Sky Cafe KL Tower. यहाँ पर आपको पूरा मलेशिया का सिटी व्यू दिख रहा है पूरा. Especially you have to tell them no fish oil or else they'll give you fish. Seafood को यहाँ पर non-veg की तरह consider नहीं करा जाता. It is vegetarian for them. I had a very bad experience. I told them I need a sandwich. Normal vegetarian sandwich. When I opened it, it was smelling different. I didn't notice it. हमने खाया भी नहीं. My husband he just opened it and he smelled it and उनको बहुत गंदा लगा. He went to the guy who told it is pure vegetarian and हमने पैसे refund लिए. पहले वो मान नहीं रहा था, फिर हमने उसको थोड़ा बहुत समझाया कि religion के against है ये वो. Then he understood और तब उसको समझ आया. But be careful, ऐसा हो सकता है हम खा भी सकते थे, but हमने खाया नहीं, thank God.
Right. Okay, now I understand. So sorry. No problem. Thank you very much.
For the thrill seekers out there, don't miss the Sky Deck experience where you can walk on the glass floor and click amazing pictures. It feels like you're walking on air, hundreds of meters above the ground. Today's day was little hectic. अभी हम वापस आए. It's right now 8 p.m. Now after this we are planning to head out to one of the party places. उसके बाद हम foot massage कराएंगे because सिंगापुर में foot massage ज़्यादा नहीं होते but मलेशिया में ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो हम यहाँ पर foot massage करा के then we will end the day for today. leaving this beautiful Park Service Suite apartment, and now we are heading to Singapore. कौन सी टीम जा रही है? मेरे को लग रहा है हमें ट्राई करने के लिए खड़े हैं. Well, that concludes our vlog exploring the Petronas Tower. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, bye for now.